This is the Sainted Carlo Acutis Catholic Through School. We're building it on behalf of Merthyr Tydfil County Council. M&E wise, we have electrical containment which carry our submains and secondary circuits. We've also got heating and domestic pipework.
With Willmott Dixon, they've got a high standard, especially when it comes to fire-rated clips. Any lighting support for lighting has to be supported by fire-rated clips or suspension wires. We've also got containment, so any life safety equipment which sits on containment, like fire alarm, damper wiring, where life safety comes into place. We use the Fast Trak system with Gripple. So that's again in Willmott Dixon's yellow book. So every project going forward, we use the Fast Trak system.
Generally speaking, Gripple products offer a large weight and material saving, and with Fast Trak we're using a thinner gauge material. This means alongside that material / weight saving, you get your embodied carbon saving.
Speaking to our supply chain on this project and other projects as well, they're absolutely raving about the speed of time it takes to put the Gripple system in as opposed to the threaded rod. It's a lot quicker, and on a straight run it goes in no time at all.
When it comes to lighting suspension wires, we chose B-Lock because it went with the same product and manufacturer as the Fast Trak system. We sort of used that then as a complete package. So we went with the Fast Trak system, went with the B-Lock, and we also went with fire-rated clips.
We have regular interactions at varying levels with Willmott Dixon, trying to make sure that we provide them and their subcontractors with the best service, and we produced a 2D PDF markup outlining in colour-coded areas how the bracketry was to be laid out.
Technical support's always been excellent, from early design stage where we issue early containment drawings for a design to be drawn up, right through to install on site where the guys turn up and they do pull tests for us, toolbox talks, and general support when we have had challenges on site where containment has had to move. The response has been excellent on that.
The reps we've had have been really good. They've come out to site, they've done a survey for us. This is where the B-Lock system came in, to be honest. It was when the reps sort of recommended it to us. Our MD and our contracts manager have come out to visit site, and they want to use this on future projects now, which is great.
We do have a lot of strategic partners and recommended partners. Gripple are now on that list because of the service they offer in terms of the design, support on site, and most importantly, embodied carbon calculations at the end of a project. Gripple fits into that bracket as well, so it's a no-brainer really in terms of taking Gripple forward with us on future projects.